formulas of finding inscribed angles and area sectors. There's circumference equals 2 pi r. R is radius, and if you don't know the radius, you put the diameter in half. To find the area sector, it is area equals pi r squared.
Alright, so first thing we're going to find is the arc length of a circle. So first you have to know the formula, which is 2 pi r. So then you plug in the radius, which is 2 pi 6. So all you got to do is do 2 times 6, which will equal 12 pi. And then to find that sector, like the length, you have to do 120 over 360 times 12 pi equals 4 pi. And that'll be the answer for the first example. And for the second one, it says that the diameter is 24, so like what Dominic said, you have to cut it in half, which is 12. So you put 2 pi r for the formula to remember, then you plug in 2 pi 12, which is the radius, which equals 24 pi. Then to find the length, you have to do 60 over 360 times 24 pi, which equals 4 pi. Now we're going to do sector area, and the formula for that is A equals pi r squared. And for the radius, it's 16. So what you do is you do 90 over 360 times pi 16 squared. So if you do 16 squared, it's 256, and then 90 over 360 simplified is 1/4. And that equals up to 64, and that is the answer for example A. For example B, just put the formula just to remember it, then put in 135 over 360 pi times pi 8 squared. 8 squared is 64, it'd be 64 squared. And to simplify, it would be 3/8. So you do 3/8 times 64 pi, and it comes out to be 24 pi. For example C, just put the formula to remember it, do 40 over 360 times pi 18 squared. And to simplify that down a little bit, it'd be 1/9 over 9 times 324 pi. And when you times those together, the answer comes out to 36 pi.